Alright guys, so today we're going to be looking at this G35 2008 sedan glove box. So there's actually a problem. I don't know if you can see, but it's only holding on one side there. So what's actually happening is, as you can see when I pull this handle, that this side right here retracts. But this side doesn't do anything. So if this thing slides out, then you can't open the glove box. So you have to kind of hit it to for this thing to jump back so you can even open it. So we're going to see if we can figure out what's going on with this mechanism in here maybe. So the first thing you do is get this piece out, and what you're going to do is there's a lower trim down here that you're just going to pull down. Just like that. It comes off pretty easily. It's really dusty under here. And then the glove box, technically what you do is you just pull it, just kind of pull the whole thing your way on one side and the other. It should break loose. There it goes. So now you just fish it out of there. It's loose now completely. Yeah, and don't forget to unclip this guy here. It's the little string that pulls it back in. Well, the soft open. So it just clips into here on the sides. Anyways, if you ever wanted to know where your on and off switch is, it's back here. So if you turn this off, you won't be able to open your trunk anymore, which is pretty nice if you don't want anybody to open your trunk. They won't know where the switch is most likely, so because it's pretty well hidden. Alright, so we got the Glovebox out. So now I think the next project is there's Phillips screws all around that hold this little felty part. So we're going to try to take that off so we can see the mechanism inside there. Alright guys, so I got all the screws out all around here. So this should pop off, but it's not coming out. So what you're going to do is, what's happening is these little locks here are actually holding this part in. So what you do is you push it in harder, then you lift it. Same thing for this side, but this side is kind of stuck in there. So slide it out somehow else, me. Oh, there it goes. So that's it. And now you can see what happened here. So let's see if we can't figure it out right now. Okay, so I see loose bolts here already. Okay. Alright. Okay, so it looks like that this popped out of here. Or maybe broke off. So as you can tell, it's just loose there. Okay, now it's all falling apart. Alright guys, so basically what happened is this thing broke off. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see here. You can see that there's little chips there where it completely broke off. And another piece that went in there is lost, I guess. It's a little piece that broke off of this piece. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to figure out a way to connect this and this together now. So either gluing it or screwing it somehow together or something. So alright guys, so I was able to pry that out, and as you can see there's pretty fragile little clips there, so let's pull this out completely. Okay, it's really fragile. So maybe this is still okay. It just looks like the plastic is just getting old, hard, and it's just cracking. So that's the piece that's missing off of the long one right here. So it just completely broke off. So anyways, we'll have to think of something to put in there. Alright guys, so I'm here at the kitchen table, so this is my idea that I could think of. So this needs to go kind of like that basically. So my idea is I got this screw here, and I want to maybe heat up the screw and then melt it into the plastic going like this. So this will be permanent, and then this can screw into that, and then I can just put a little bit of glue in there and screw it in there. Alright guys, so I melted the screw, or got the screw really hot on the stove, and then it would just melted right in there. So now it's pretty. Alright guys, so I'm back over here at the car, and in order to put this back in, the handle, you have to open it like this so it tucks in the ears, and then you can put it in there. Alright, so I went ahead and put screwed the handle back on here, so it's back in there, everything's good. So what I'm going to do now is next I'm going to install the good one. That's still good. Well, good for now, I guess. So you want to take off this little spacer, or this little guider thing, little plastic one. The reason why is because you need that extra room to wiggle it around when you put it in. So you just want to clip that off and then put it in here like this, and then we can push it in here, hopefully without it breaking. There it goes. So it's on, and now we can put the little guide back on here, and that's it. So this side's done. So this side is just like it was, operates perfectly. And now we got to do this side. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to put this through here like that, and then this screw here goes into there. So, but before we jam it in there really hard, I'm going to put some glue in there, which is this glue here, goop. Well, it's sort of like goop. It's E6000, and there's this other one. If you can't find this, you can find goop, or you can use any adhesive you want. Alright guys, so that's it. I don't know if you could see, but get closer. But I put some glue on there, and it's in. And so now it should work like a charm. So obviously the glue's still fresh, but the screw is holding it in there for now. So because it nicely went in there, so it still has a grip. So once this thing cures in about 24 hours, this thing will be as solid as a rock. So anyways, it looks good, and as you can see, this side is working great. We're gonna try to put this cover back on and reinstall everything. Alright guys, so the glove box is in, and look at it, perfection. Here's the broken side. It works perfect. So I'm not gonna play around with it too much. I'm gonna let it cure. But yep, that fixed my problem, and now clicks in beautifully. Look at that, no shake, perfect. And that's what it's supposed to be like. So anyways guys, hopefully this video is helpful for somebody that has a glove box problem. It's actually not too complicated to get this thing out and look at it. So worst case, you can even get a new glove box, or you can just get little pieces for it to repair. So alright, thanks for watching this video. Check out my other videos where I take out these trims and paint them, and the steering wheel trim here, as you can see, looks nice and black. So that's a little bit of a bigger project for that one, but check it out if you want to paint your trims too. So alright, well, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.